an exciting day. It's an exciting video. It's one I've been wanting to do for a very long time, but I just haven't had the time. I'm finally doing it today, and it's fitting that it's in July because I want to do a huge giveaway with the makeup products that I'm using in this video. So if you haven't guessed it already, I'm going to be doing a one brand tutorial all on COVERGIRL cosmetics, and they were kind enough to send to me a whole bunch of stuff, basically their entire foundation range for the new where is it, True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and then also a few things from their spring summer makeup collection for 2018. Now, I did do my brows off camera. COVERGIRL does have brow product, but I did do my brows off camera just because it just takes me way too long to get to what I need to get to. So this is a brow pencil. It's a really skinny one, so this can really give you like a very natural look, and I like the bristles. I've got some eyeshadow palettes here, which I'm gonna have fun with. I got the foundation. I don't have a concealer from COVERGIRL. I do have concealers, but I don't think they are my shade. They really seem a bit faded. This is the darkest color that I picked out. I don't know how that's gonna work out, so I brought my Maybelline concealers with me just in case I need to use those. I've got lips, mascara, eyeliner, setting spray, some shimmer shadows. Okay, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start off with foundation. So I'm gonna be using the COVERGIRL True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'm using the shade D15, which is warm tawny. It's a comfort matte finish, oil-free formula. It says it is transfer resistant. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't say anything about is it long wearing. I think this is my shade. I think I did use this one already in a vlog where I was just testing it out. I think I might use my Real Technique stippling brush today for a change. I forgot to prime. So I'm going to be using the COVERGIRL Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. So the foundations seem to be inclusive. I just don't know about their other products, because as I was saying, the concealer, I didn't really see a shade that I could use. And this Vitalist didn't really do much of a thing. Anyway, so we're gonna go in with the foundation. So it's definitely a light coverage foundation. I'm gonna have to add just another layer if you're someone who likes your foundation to look like your skin. Also, it's not runny. When I do pump it onto the back of my hand, it's not runny at all, so that just tells me it could be buildable. We'll see once I go onto my second layer. But as you can see, my pigmentation here and my chickenpox scarring is still quite visible. By the way, I have a new friend here, a new friend popping up there, a new friend here. So this is one layer of that True Blend Matte Foundation. So I feel like this is a really good travel foundation. I feel like it's, and probably summer as well, it feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, but if you want more coverage, it seems like it is buildable. So I'm gonna go in with one more layer. So I really prefer this coverage. And that is the foundation. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and just dab on my face just to take away the excess. Next step is concealer. So I did swatch the concealer. I have the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Concealer. It really does not look promising, guys. I'm gonna do a swatch on the back of my hand, and if you can see that. I'm gonna go once on my under eyes and see how it plays out. It could brighten nicely, so I don't wanna assume. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and begin to dab. I don't know if there are more concealers in this range, but this is the darkest shade, and I have 6 that were sent to me. So of the 6, this seems to be the darkest shade. I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose and take this to my forehead. I don't see myself baking with this look. I might just add some powder, but not, I don't think, under my eyes. What I will do, however, is set with the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Powder. I think it's all about like glowing and like giving a healthy glow, this collection. So I don't have a contour powder from them, so I'm gonna go in with my NYX Highlight on Pro palette. I'm just gonna take this brush from Sorbet. I love a good powder contour. I don't have a bronzer from COVERGIRL, so I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Bronze palette, and I'm just swirling my brush in there and bronzing. I'm going back in with my Maybelline bronzing palette, and I'm just going to set up my eye. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using these creamy Vitalist Healthy Glow Illuminators. They really look very pretty. So, and I think I'm just going to put this on my lid with using my finger just to give me a pop of shimmer on my lid area. I think this is a must-have if you're going on holiday and you just want like a no fuss approach to eyeshadow. For my waterline, I'm gonna cheat a little bit and use my Urban Decay waterline eye pencil. I'm gonna go back into my Maybelline palette and I'm just adding some color beneath my eye. For mascara, I'll be using the COVERGIRL Peacock Flare Mascara. This is it over here. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I used this in a previous video and I absolutely loved it. It's seeming like this is becoming less and less of a one brand tutorial, but I guess I don't have everything from Wet n Wild, from COVERGIRL, so I have to supplement in some areas. Look at this highlight, guys. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna put some on my nose, my brow bone. It's so subtle. It reminds me of the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I'm gonna put it on my temple. That's my makeup done. I'm gonna move on to lips. Because my makeup is quite neutral and minimal, what I'm going to do is go for a pretty intense lipstick, right? I've got two colors here. I either have, these are the COVERGIRL Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Okay, that's the blue and that's the purple. I'm thinking of going for purple, and I'm going to take Never Say Never and fill that in. Oh my god, that's pretty intense. I do think I want to gloss it up a little bit, so I'm gonna see if I have a lip gloss in here. So I've picked up 4 lip glosses which look intense. I have 3 from the COVERGIRL Queen collection, which is these ones here. Here's the third one. And I have one from the Katy Perry COVERGIRL collection. Ooh, Katy Perry. I don't know if she was with COVERGIRL. Let's see this one. Ooh, that would have been so nice. I should have used that one. Why do I want to change my lip? Guys, this Katy Perry one is so pretty. Look at that. It just looks so different. Guys, I'm really shook by these. Look at these cool. Okay, so the Katy Perry. Look at this light blue. What? Okay, I need to do like an IGTV video just on lip swatches for the Katy Perry glosses. I've got Dior Lacquer lip pump somewhere that I want to do a lip swatch video on so desperately. But just look at those 3 random colors I picked out from the Katy Perry collab with CoverGirl. So pretty. This might be the finished look. I'm gonna spritz my face, lock up with the CoverGirl All Day Setting Mist, which is this one over here. I'm just gonna... So that's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the one brand tutorial or look. I did have to cheat here and there because it didn't have everything from CoverGirl, like the highlighter, the contour powder and the bronzing powder, but I tried to keep everything CoverGirl, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously I'm doing a giveaway like the title suggests, so as usual, it's not complicated. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to ask you though to just make sure you are following me on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. It doesn't have to be all 3 because no, not everyone is on all 3 platforms, but whichever platforms that you're on, make sure you're following me there as well, and leave your social media handle next to your comment down below so that I can pick a winner. I'm picking 2 winners in today's giveaway. They will each receive a beautifully curated CoverGirl hamper by me. So once again, leave your foundation shade down below in the comments when you do comment. Cool. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye. Hold up. I forgot to put on eyelashes. Okay, that's better, you guys. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now we can roll out to the outro.